Hey guys, Dan here. Today we're at the newest attraction in Hot Springs, Arkansas, the Hamilton Hangout, a bowling alley and arcade filled with fun for all ages. Let's check it out.
Open 7 days a week, the Hamilton Hangout is conveniently located on 4780 Central Avenue, just minutes from beautiful Lake Hamilton. Start your adventure at one of the conveniently located kiosks near the front of the door. If you need any help, a friendly staff member will be ready to assist you. Then get ready to lace up those bowling shoes and enjoy the Hangout 16 lanes equipped with the latest bowling technology and promising an unforgettable bowling experience. When you're ready to take a break from the lanes, don't miss out on the arcade, filled with 40 brand new arcade games featuring classics like Skee-Ball, fast-paced racing games, and air hockey. The Hamilton Hangout Arcade is heaven for all gamers of all ages. Getting hungry after all that fun? The Hamilton Hangout features a full bar and restaurant, offering pizza, burgers, wings, and more.
That was a blast. From bowling and arcade games to fantastic food, the Hamilton Hangout offers the ultimate destination for your family's entertainment. And for everything you need to know about visiting Hot Springs, Arkansas, visit hotsprings.org. And I'll see you next time on Check It Out.